guys, me and Rice Duck are gonna be recording exploding cans. First, we're gonna shake one up.
And throw it on the ground.
We're gonna throw it. Then we're just gonna shake it as hard as possible and shoot it all the way in the air. And then for the final one, we're gonna be tightening it on this until it explodes.
It's the grand finale.
Guys, first one, we're gonna shake it and throw it pretty high. Okay, go in the middle of the driveway. Like a lot. Shake it hard. Bro, you completely missed the driveway.
Oh my god, it's hissing! Oh no.
Yo.
Run away, Cam! It's pissing.
Here, give me it. It's...
Pissing all over us.
Yo, come here.
Bro, there's a lot of fountain of free juices.
Wait, I don't think we should be drinking that.
Yeah,
All right, guys, now I'm gonna be throwing it as high as possible. Oh, it's getting hard.
this guy likes men. He's the Philadelphia particular. What? Oh my god, what an explosion.
Guys, yo, Rice Duck.
It's sizzling. I told you this.
I'm just kidding. Guys, grand finale. We're gonna be tightening it on this. Each person gets 10 turns before we switch off. Okay, record me first.
Okay.
We should shake it first.
No, because then it's good. Actually, yeah, you're smart. Okay. We need to have the.
Shoot.
I can smell the piss from here.
Bro, that was not fun. Nothing even happened. That was boring. Wasn't that pretty boring?
Yeah.
That's ain't no grand finale. Watch this.
That's a finale.
Oh, yeah.
This is the second try of the finale. He picks it up. He throws it high.
What?
Shazam does not happen because this video is sponsored by Celsius. Do you want an energetic drink that can withstand Nova Rossi? I think you do. But it looks like the legendary man broke it all, and this guy's gay.
What?